So first step, what we must do is to install the drivers. Our applications supports Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows XP operating system. So basically we do support all Windows operating systems. We are currently testing on Windows XP operating system, which is installed under virtual machine, under VirtualBox appliance. We go to WinXP folder. It's a 32-bit x86 operating system. We right click on the int file and click install. After this procedure, we connect the infrared service key. We go to device manager to check if the serial number appears correctly and if the device itself installed correctly. But as it's a virtual machine, we need to plug in the USB device. We go to USB devices and click on EFICHIP infrared service key. After that, we see that the Cypress USB bootloader appeared between the USB controllers. We go to properties, go to details, and we see on the device instant ID the serial number. As you see, it's IR infrared SK service key 0001. That means that their device drivers are installed correctly and device is identified correctly. We do go to directory where we must have both applications and service key and the key programmer in one folder, in one directory. We run the infrared service key application. After we select a model, a body type, which is 221, and we click a read button, we get a message, insert a key. So we do insert a key, service key, to the ignition, to EIS, electronic ignition system. As we see, the infrared service key application start reading all 8 hashes from EIS, including the magic hash. We see that live counter of the 2 keys is here. 6 keys are not used. The live counter is a value. It's a decrementing value from absolute value. The difference between absolute value and the current live counter is how many times that key has been used with this EIS. So basically, studying this value, we can find out how many times the car has been started using this key. We do have SSID, which is a unique value of their EIS. We do have the last key and the previous key used numbers. We see that all the statuses are enabled, like initialized, TP release, personalized, activated. And we also see that backup directory and EIS appeared. Let's click Save and see what the application stored in the backup directory. Okay, we do see the text file. Inside this text file, the information we already saw. Now we go to Advanced menu. You click the right arrows over here. You take out the key and input back the key. After this, you see that it's been reading. So we do have a serial number, we do have SSID, we do have a TP key and Schlossing number, and we click read EEPROM. This procedure takes some time, so please kindly wait. That's it. EEPROM reading is done. Our next step will be reading the key using their infrared programmer.